Canna Care Docs is coming to the Berkshires, and we're thrilled. We will be in Pittsfield. To enter into the Massachusetts medical marijuana program, you are going to need a medical marijuana card, and you can get it at Canna Care Docs. You do need to be 18 years of age to come in alone. Luckily, Massachusetts does have a provision for pediatric patients and their families to use cannabis for disorders such as seizures, Dravet's, and also children who might be on the spectrum of autism. Canna Care Docs is a medical marijuana evaluation center. We provide an education on how to use cannabis for your wellness, and we certify that you do have a qualifying condition to enter into the Massachusetts medical marijuana program. You shouldn't feel like you need to pass a test to come into Canna Care Docs. We're here to help you get into the Massachusetts medical marijuana program compliantly so that then you can use cannabis safely. And the best way to do that is to use one of the dispensaries that are rapidly opening up in Massachusetts. Their cannabis medicine is tested for dosing, potency, pesticides, fungus, and other problems endemic to growing cannabis medicine indoors. I think that's a very important piece of information that anybody in Massachusetts who wants to use marijuana legally should know. If you choose, and I hope you do, to come to Canna Care Docs for your medical marijuana evaluation and your medical marijuana card, you can expect to spend about 45 minutes with us. You can make an appointment at cannacaredocs.com for specific days. We also offer walk-in hours where if it just fits into your schedule, you can drop in. You will fill out some paperwork regarding your current desire, why you want to use cannabis in the Massachusetts medical marijuana program, and you'll see our educator to get the latest thinking about cannabinoids, terpenes, flavonoids, dosing, different presentations and formulations of cannabis. You'll also learn quite a bit about the regulation and what you're responsible for being a legal Massachusetts medical marijuana patient. But really, you're going to get some really cutting-edge knowledge in terms of where cannabis stands today. And then finally, you are going to get a chance to see a Massachusetts MD to discuss your qualifying condition. Some of the qualifying conditions in Massachusetts that allow you to use marijuana legally and purchase from a dispensary would be chronic pain, neurological disorders, for example, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, ALS, many intestinal conditions, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome. In Massachusetts, there's a qualifying catch-all called the debilitating condition. There's not a large amount of very targeted scientific research on certain conditions, yet there's much anecdotal evidence that marijuana can be used safely. So Massachusetts has smartly included a broader condition for the patient to come into the program. Do you need medical records? And the answer is no. However, if you do have medical records, by all means bring them. It makes it that much easier for the doctor and for the educator to evaluate your needs. Once you see a Canna Care provider, what do you have to do next to finish the process? And that's a deep breath for a lot of people. It's hard. You have to upload, you have to scan, you have to send pictures, you have to have IDs. Canna Care Docs will help you every step of the way, no matter how complicated you might find it. And if you're having a particular problem, we will assign a caseworker to make sure that you are successfully registered at the Massachusetts Department of Public Health for your medical marijuana card.